So I have one very simple and easy question to ask you. What is the only word we can't use in this company?
No.
What I especially valued when I chose to come to Jaqua was reputation and professionalism, and that was what drew me to our company.
Working with Jaqua here, that's certainly been a great decision.
We have identified 4 critical components to what is going to develop that beginning agent to the super agent. And those 4 components are pretty simple. One is training and knowledge.
Part of the reason I came to Jaqua was because I knew about the training program.
In class, I'm constantly learning new things about where my plan's headed.
I am amazed every year how quickly agents are up and running and their success level.
I really don't know how an agent that's fresh in the business could actually start without this much training.
2 is the tools that you can be successful.
What I do here at Jaqua is help new agents with learning the technology that they need to be efficient and effective with their clients, help them transition their business and take it to the level that they want to be at. We spend time researching, whether it be at a national level or our competitors, and seeing what's being utilized, what translates with buyers and sellers.
The marketing staff here at Jaqua, I don't even know where they hire these girls. They are so amazing. First of all, they always just are available.
And they helped us design logos, they designed websites, they put together floor plans.
How much time do you invest in creating your marketing brochures, your open house ads? And I said about 20 hours a week. And she was like, how would you like to have 20 hours a week to just sell?
They put together these beautiful 4-color resumes. So when you're sitting down with a prospect, you have this beautiful product, you have this great Jaqua name that everybody knows in the industry.
The marketing team here is dedicated to making something customized.
I think it means getting to know the agent as well as I can, and then creating something that reflects who they are. What are your goals with the business? What are your values? If you dream it up, we can create it.
3, really critical, that you have to have an excellent reputation.
And we really customize everything that we do to each individual agent. It's about teamwork and family, and that's really what we try to build and instill.
And the 4th component is that the brokerage provides a roadmap for that success.
The mentoring program I'm also involved in has been instrumental, really a catalyst to move me from being stuck in all the ideas that come out in our training to bring that together to move me forward into an action plan.
The coaching is very individualized. They find out where your strengths, where your weaknesses are.
Coaching here at Jaqua gave me a new sense of confidence.
My coach keeps my head in the game every week, every day.
It's really like having a cheerleader, it's having a coach, it's having a friend, it's having a confidant, all wrapped in one person.
That does not happen for an agent on their own. They need the broker in order to supply those tools and supply those methods to actually be successful in this business.
I think in our industry, we're different based on our service. I think we're all here to help at any given time, and we do have that open culture and that open door concept.
So I think that's very encouraging for anybody looking at developing themselves as a person in this business. Look at the results. I think they speak for themselves.
They've done an exceptional job and are very well respected by the senior agents that are out there, not only with our company, but with other brokerages as well.
That's what we're here to do, is to be your agent for life.